Let's talk about copy, specifically good versus bad marketing copy. I see people all the time writing bad marketing copy because they don't understand one key principle that's really important. Let me do this by showing you some bad copy principles and some good copy principles, and I think you're going to get it. You're going to figure this out on your own. If you don't, I'm going to share it with you at the end. So here's some bad copy principles. So, bad. This is what I do. Here's what this product does or consists of. So this product is 9 modules and it shows you this and this and this and this and this. This is why my product is so cool. Note, this is in the list of bad copy. This is why my product is so cool. How's that bad? Well, let me show you by showing you some good marketing copy. So remember, the first one was, this is what I do in the bad side. So the first one on the good side is, here's a problem you're probably facing. Here's how to solve it. Then after giving them several solutions to those problems, here's another paid solution to solve it more, to solve more problems, to solve it better, to solve it faster, to solve it cheaper, whatever. Here's what having that problem solved means for you. This is what I promise you. Interesting. So few people do this. And here's what I want to invite you to achieve or change. So notice there were some commonalities between the bad and the good. I'm sure you've gotten this. The bad is all about me and my products, which, by the way, about 80% of all marketing copy that I see is bad because it's doing this. It's talking about you and your products. Versus good is all about their needs, their future, their dreams, the transformations they want to achieve, all of that. My recommendation, don't write bad copy and write good copy instead. So instead of focusing about telling them all about you and your products and where you are and why you're so cool and what's in your product and things, focus on them. Everything is about them. Even when you're talking about your product, you're talking about why your product is good for them, because this particular part of your product solves this particular need for them. That's how you shift from bad copy to good copy. Here's this element of my product. It does this for you. It makes it applicable to them. And so it's not about you. It's all about them from the very beginning. What's your experience with this? Let me know in the comments. This is Don Crowther saying, just go do this stuff.